Hello everyone, I am Sahil Yadav and I am going to present the chemical engineering GATE syllabus in this video. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel Chemical Engineering. So let's go to the screen. So in chemical engineering there are majorly 9 to 10 subjects we will be going to study and we will be going to get questions on it in the GATE exam. So section 1 includes the engineering maths, that is maths. So in chemical engineering syllabus we refer maths books in the first year or the second year. So majorly the maths will include matrix, eigenvalues and eigenvectors are the important topic. One question is always there on the basis of eigenvalues and eigenvector on GATE. Similarly, in calculus, we have one question on limit, continuity and differentiability. Also, always there will be one question on Taylor series. So, the main topics are limit, continuity and differentiability as well as Taylor series theorem. So, these were the main topic for calculus. Also we can have one more question on maxima and minima, or we can also have gradient, divergence and curl. So we should always brush up these concepts of calculus before going to give GATE. So third part of maths is the differential equation. In differential equation we will have first order, higher order linear differential equation, Cauchy and Euler's equation, Laplace transform. Yes, Laplace transform is always there, but it is a part of instrumentation and process control subject. So mostly on purely maths we won't be getting any sum on Laplace transform. The main is the higher order linear differential equation. So we will be going to get the sums on Cauchy and Euler's equation in differential equations. So Cauchy's integral theorem, and that also is a important topic. Okay, so complex variable. In complex variable we will be seeing some topics or some question on polar form, that is on 1 mark question. So mind well, do well that subject. Moreover, in probability we can see the question in GATE on mean, median, mode and standard deviation. So there is of course 1 to 2 marks of question fixed on the mean, median, mode as well as normal and binomial distribution. Since last 3 years they are asking question on normal distribution. Similarly, for numerical methods in maths we will be seeing one question. Mostly they ask for Simpson's rule or for the trapezoidal rule. Now the second subject is process calculation and thermodynamics, that is we call as CPC or thermodynamic. In CPC suppose, so in CPC we will see most question on recycle, bypass and purge calculation. Similarly, we have 1 mark question every year on Gibbs phase rule and degree of freedom analysis, and we will surely see the question on recycle, bypass and purge, that is of 2 to 3 marks. Similarly, for thermodynamic, one question is fixed for second law and entropy, that is whether entropy increases, decreases. Some condition is given that temperature is changing for a system from one point to other, and it was asked to determine its entropy. So we will be seeing these questions on entropy. Similarly, for fugacity and activity coefficient we can see some question, because since last year they are not asking any question on excess properties, but this time it may be important. Similarly, yes, the basic concept, that is VLE, vapor liquid equilibrium, is also a important concept, so clear it before going to give GATE. Similarly, in fluid mechanics and mechanical operations, that is FM and MUO, one question is all, or I can say that all the questions of fluid mechanics are based on Bernoulli's equation. So if you don't know anything, just remember Bernoulli's equation. Similarly, in FM you will see the question 1 marks or 2 mark question on boundary layer theory. Similarly, for the pressure drop or that relationship, that are also important to remember. Now for mechanical operation, there is always 2 mark question, or similarly 2 marks of 1 mark questions on particle size and shape, similarly on size reduction and the classification of solid particles. Fourth subject is heat transfer. It is the basic and the interesting subject for all the chemical engineers. So in heat transfer we have studied about steady and unsteady state heat conduction as well as convection and radiation. Mostly in GATE they ask question on thermal boundary layer, heat transfer coefficient. Similarly for evaporators, boiling, condensation, and of course double pipe shell and tube heat exchanger. So heat transfer is the basic subject, so it is, of course, it should be cleared easily. Similarly in mass transfer they ask question on HTLU and TLU concept, then film theory, penetration theory, surface renewal theory, and mass transfer coefficient. So they are the easiest question that one can crack. Similarly for distillation, absorption, leaching, they ask easy question. So this is what is included in mass transfer. Drying, humidification, dehumidification, and absorption, they are also important for 1 markers or 2 markers question in GATE. The next subject is chemical reaction engineering, CRE. So mostly we studied CRE in 2 parts, CRE1 and CRE2. So CRE1, which includes the kinetics, then the types of reactor, that is CSTR, PFR. So that is the important topic for GATE. So mostly they ask question on kinetic rates and datas. So instrumentation and process control is of course an important subject, and for this I will make more video so that it can be clearly seen that how it is important subject. Similarly plant design and economics is also an important subject. So this is actually a equation based subject, that is we have to remember the equations of cost analysis, rate of return, payback period, etc. The main subject, that is 6 to 10 marks, that is chemical technology. In this we study about various flow sheets in process industries. So polymerization, chlor-alkali industries, fertilizer industries, these all are included in it. So this is of course a basic and important subject as seen from the GATE view. So this is all about the subjects. So this is the mark distribution of all the subjects in GATE. Please look at it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching the video. I hope आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. सो अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आया है तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब कर दें केमिकल इंजीनियर चैनल को. धन्यवाद.